17 things you may not know about the country of Laos. Laos is the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia. The country has a population of about 7 million people. Lao, also known as Laotian, is the official language. Laos is known for its mountainous terrain, extensive river network, including the mighty Mekong River. The country gained independence from France in 1953, and luckily they still know how to make amazing bread and pizza. The best pizza I ever ate in my life was on the side of the road in Laos. It was absolutely delicious. Laos has a very diverse ethnic population with over 160 ethnic groups. The ancient city of Luang Prabang is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Laos has a strong Buddhist culture with numerous temples and monasteries. The country is known for its traditional textile weaving and handicrafts. Laos has one of the lowest population densities in Asia with only 7 million people. The national dish is lop, a minced meat salad, often served with sticky rice. It's absolutely delicious and very popular in northeast Thailand as well. Laos has a significantly imported and unexploded ordnance from the Vietnam War era, making the country relatively dangerous to explore. The country is a member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, also known as ASEAN. Laos has a tropical monsoon climate with a distinct wet and dry season. The country is rich in biodiversity with many endemic species. Laos is a communist state. And the last one, the annual Bon Pai Mai or Lao New Year is one of the most important celebrations in the country. Laos is a very interesting place. I know a lot of people that go there to go camping, and it is absolutely beautiful and a lot of untouched areas. Looks like it did 100 years ago. Absolutely beautiful country, one that I need to explore more, that's for sure.